From Fox 5 News, this is Good Day New York.
Meanwhile, as students get ready to go back to school, we know everything about the school year will be different, even the back-to-school fashions and how you shop for them. Our next guest is hoping to take the stress out of back-to-school shopping. She works for Kidpik. She is a spokesperson. Amy Goodman, nice to have you on Good Day New York. Now, my kids are older. I don't know what Kidpik is. What is it exactly?
Oh, yeah. So kidpik is a fully personalized fashion clothing subscription box for kids, sizes 4 to 16. And it really is so convenient, stress less when it comes to the back-to-school shopping, and it's still really fun and exciting for kids. So the kids fill out a really easy little survey online, about 3 minutes, and then what comes to them is a box filled with 7 individual pieces that can be literally 3 head-to-toe looks, including shoes. So as we are going back to school, it's one less thing you have to worry about as a parent. No arguing in the dressing rooms with your kids or trying to scramble to piece together all sorts of separates online. It is so easy and convenient.
Amy, how much does it cost usually?
Yes, so it's about $95 on average for the entire box. You can opt to, purchase a la carte if you wish, and that brings about the cost for each piece when you do the whole box to about $13.50 a piece.
Gotcha. And now you have boys' fashions, right?
Yeah, we surely do, and we're going to show them for you here today. So whether the kids are going back to school in person or they're going to do it virtually, we have both style and comfort for each child.
Okay, can we see a few of the fashions?
Of course. So first up we have Isabel. What really pops for me here is that chevron shine on her shirt. The plaid skirt. Plaid is something we saw ubiquitous on the runways this season. I love the jean jacket. So many different jean treatments this season, from jackets to jumpers, from dresses to pants. And of course, every child here actually has a coordinating mask available in the Kidpik Live shop. We can't forget the crossbody bag for accessories. The boxes do include accessories like sunglasses and bags, and the little fringe on her booty. So for adults, we sometimes wear fringe all over, but for kids, I think just a little touch is just right.
Gotcha.
Thanks, Isabel.
So, Amy, let me ask you something. So that whole outfit would come in a box for $95?
Correct, and even more pieces. I would say she had about 5 individual pieces in there. There would, in addition to that, be 2 more. So the total every month is 7 pieces, and you can adjust your subscription if you prefer to have it every 2 months or every 3 months.
Gotcha. All right, let's see Rowan.
So Rowan, yeah, he's got a really urban chic outfit here with the graphic T-shirt. Camo is everywhere for kids, both boys and girls. He loves this sweatshirt. He would tell you that he'd probably sleep in it if he could because he loves it so much. And for the jeans, pops of color. So here we've got this great mustard yellow color on his pants. But look for jeans that are red, that are blue, that are green, different pops of color, which are really, really fun. Thanks, Ro. Next up, we have Fiona. She is wearing kind of an updated twist on a classic. So the prairie print dress is something you're going to see a lot of. Little flowers on a dark background or a bold colored background. But here's the twist. The fun metallic jacket. Lots of metallic and sheen on the runways, which is mirrored in her shoes. And, of course, we can't forget the fuzzy wuzzy backpack. That's what I'm going to call it. Kids love to have fun with texture and mixing and matching things up, and that's exactly what you're going to see in the box.
Amy, thank you so much. I love all your suggestions from Kidpik. I know you had more, but we'll go to your website and check it out. Thank you so much. We've run out of time.
Thank you so much.
All the best. I like the rest of those kids. We'll be right back.